Hey everybody, welcome to Trading Capital's exclusive analysis. In today's video, we're discussing natural gas. So natural gas is actually coiling and shaping up for a very, very large move. Now, let's discuss this and why do I think that? Well, ultimately, I was leaning more bearish for natural gas, and I still have to sway bearish, but over the last recent price sessions, there's a couple things that are slowly starting to potentially swing me into more of the bullish camp. And yes, there might be a long trade setting up in the UNG Boyle KOLD natural gas space. So what I'm really looking at is natural gas had that initial pop. It's made a nice little bull flag consolidation. You tried attempting a breakout out of this wedge pattern, which got slammed down today, closing down the session 3.9%. But nevertheless, the question is, are we going to get back above this 385 bullish level? Well, let's look at the weekly chart. Because when you throw on the 7 and the 20-week moving average, so you can see here the 7-week is in yellow, the 20 is in blue, and we're potentially getting a bullish crossover of the 7 and 20 moving average on the weekly time frame. So that typically does translate to higher price action. Now, over the last three prints, May 22nd, we had our natural gas inventories, then May 29th, then June 5th. The next natural gas inventory is set to take place on Thursday, June 12th. Okay, so the last three prints, we've actually had somewhat bearish prints. We had on May 22nd, $120 billion build. Forecast was 118. May 29th, we had 101 billion build. Forecast was 98. June 5th, we had 122 billion build. Forecast was 111 build. So why is this important? Because the last three prints showed less demand for natural gas, greater inventories, therefore emphasizing less natural gas, but yet price action has still remained somewhat firm in this tight range. So when fundamentally inventories are building and staying a little bit more elevated than the market is forecasting, but yet technical price action isn't trending lower, you have to just monitor that. So I'm still waiting for this 385 level to be taken out. But if it does take out that 385 level, then there is a potential for a massive, and I mean massive surge in natural gas all the way into the $495 range. So keep that number on deck. Watch this 385 bullish level. If you get above that, then it's off to the races in terms of long positions. Please give this video a like down below, and we'll see you on the charts a little later.